Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today, we're going to show you how to assemble Fisher-Price infant to toddler rocket. We installed the batteries and we finished with the product demonstration and review. Coming up. What's up guys? My name is Amir and this is my associate Ryan. This is a simple and rather inexpensive product. Having said that, we are very happy with the purchase. I will share more on our experience and review. After we finish the assembly together. First, let's do a quick unboxing. We want to make sure that we have all the parts required for the assembly. And then we also review all the tools needed to process. So we finished the unboxing of the product. These are the items that we have in the box and these are the parts that we need but they are not included in the box. And by the way, my associate decided to take his afternoon nap. It's part of his contract. So he's gonna join me when he feels like joining me. But anyway, so the item that we have in the box, we have these two sidebar. We have the toy bar that goes on top of the product. We have 2 feet and then we have these 2 items. We have 2 of these guys, 2 shorter screws and 4 of these longer screws. This is kind of like an engine, or this provides the vibration to boost the baby, and obviously this is the pad. So stay with me. After we finish the assembly, we're gonna go through how to replace and install the batteries and what type of battery do we need for this guy and also the toy bar. And also we go through how to take this off for putting it inside the washing machine, because trust me, it's gonna be necessary. And most importantly, this is the manual, so make sure that you go through all this stuff for the safety feature and stuff. The tools that we need is gonna be just a Phillips screwdriver, and this is my associate banana, not included in the box. So to start the assembly, we grab these 3 parts. First, we want to make sure that these buttons are pointing outside. So it's gonna be like this. So, and we see there are 2 holes here. We're gonna work on these 2. This guy will go inside and click. Well. For this step, we're gonna need these 2 legs and 2 of the longer screws. This one side of it has like 2 opening, and one of them is like very open. The other one is like a closed opening. We're gonna use the second opening, the one that is like fully covered, and this will go on the bottom side of this side rail, and then put it on top of each other. Now remember, we have 2 holes here. This should be lined up with the second hole. And the hole here, they line up perfectly together. I see some debris here. So there are some debris in the hole. So what I did, I grabbed like a small screwdriver. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that here you see that my screwdriver is going through like the leg, this guy, also here and also here, and put it inside the top side. If they line up perfectly, it goes through that very fast. And they should line up correctly, so they should line up very well, and you put the screw on that side as well. Now we want to install the vibration unit. Make sure the bottom side of it is pointing outside, so it's gonna have to connect this screw inside this hole. So let's put it both sides. In this stage, we're gonna need the kickstand and two longer screws. There's a hole here on both sides, and we're gonna put this inside both holes. So you put the screw and make sure it goes through all the parts. Okay, all set. This should go through all these parts. Now let's do this for the other side as well, very quick. For this part of the assembly, we need this guy and two of the small screws and two of these guys. This will go here. Now the people who design this, they really want to make people miserable, so it's not super straightforward. You know, there is one hole. On the other side we have two holes. On this guy we have 1.5 holes. This side we have 1 hole, and 1.5 hole goes to 2 holes. So on this side I have 1 hole, so it goes on top side. On this side I have 2.5 holes, so this part with the 1.5 holes goes on top of it. Moreover, this side of this bar should aim inside. So this is also important. Now let's put these two guys on top of each other. Now for these guys, we have two sides. This side goes on top of it. So like I get it like this, and it goes on top of it. And let's tie this. Same on this side. So this will go here. So my associate finished his afternoon nap and he decided to join me and help me out. Yay! By the way, if you're getting value out of this, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for this channel. This really warms up our heart. Thank you. So for this stage, we want to put the pad on. On back side of it, there's a pocket. It goes here. Then we're gonna connect these two guys together and make sure it clicks. Then we go to the front of the part and we wanna install this guy. There's an opening in the pad. We put it inside this part of the vibration unit. Now we just put the sides. Like this. For the next portion, we're gonna connect this side of the pad to this guy and make sure it clicks. We have to do it for both sides. Now we wanna install the toy bar. So there are 2 holes here, and we're gonna snap these two. Fairly easy. You just want to make sure that you hear it snap. Now we want to install and change the batteries. So we have batteries here for the vibration unit and also in the toy bar for this guy. In order to change the battery for the vibration unit, we have to take the pad off. So somehow they thought to make it harder for us to change the battery. So in order to take the toy bar off, we have to push the clips inward and just take this off. Now we want to take off the pad. First we need to unclip 1, 2, 3, 2, and 3. We want to take the pad of the vibration unit like this. Now we take this off and we can put it in the washing machine if we want that. Now we want to change the battery for the vibration unit. We need a Phillips screwdriver and there are 2 screws here. We need a 1D battery for this. It's not included in the box. Put it back. Now we want to install or change the batteries for the toy bar. There are two screws here, Phillips screwdriver. My associate is a little cranky, so I will come back soon. Thank you. So we're putting the coin battery in. When you put in, there's a side that has writing on top of it. Make sure that it's pointing toward the spring inside the toy. To put the baby inside the rocker, we're gonna strap them by put this inside their leg and then use this clip and put them here on both sides and secure the baby. On side of the rocker, you have these two bottom. You can adjust in two position. You can put it in a more reclined position or more uprising sitting position. We also have this adjustable leg on the bottom side of the product. This recline the product a little bit more. So we have this button also for the vibration. Ryan personally didn't like this vibration so much, but a few of his body really like it. So it kind of depends on the baby. Some baby like it, some baby not really like the vibration. Overall, considering the price, we are very happy with the product. We especially find it useful while visiting friends and family as it's light and easy to move. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Have an awesome day. Thank you.